Hey, everyone! I'm so excited to share this special video with you. I've put together a celebration for Vishia's birthday that I can't wait for you to see. Make sure you stick around until the end to catch all the fun and surprises we have planned. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! Today, mag-celebrate kami sa aking friend because it's her upcoming birthday, this coming 19, and I wanna celebrate it with her. Uy, nag-English too. Actually guys, wala ko dating lakas kay it's so early kag duha ka pulinis. Like, diba? Anyway, makaon kami subong sa Sandro. Nga, barato lang. Anyway, magimuta ta kay celebrate na ta with her. See you soon, babe!
You're my forever. I'll love you always.
Rain or shine po tayo.
Through the trials of life and the dreams we chase, I find my courage in your warm embrace.
May parada para si mo, babe, ho.
Your biggest fan.
Ay, babe, hindi lang ta mag-red ribbon, babe, kaya wala tag money. Kagalang-alang man ko sa golden. Oh, I'm so poor. Charing. Joke lang, babe, but I'm gonna buy you something that actually suits you. Sorry, hindi sa mag-Goldilocks. Direct out. Get you one, hold on.
Stars fade away and the night grows cold. We'll find my love like a story told. In every chapter, in every line, my heart is yours now and for all time. I'll love you always through the highs and the lows. In every season, as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always. As we
Gahanda pa sila subong, guys, kay lapang limpyo pa sila, and then after mag-abot ni Ate V, ma-start na tag og 8. Ma-message ko na before anything else. So again, advance happy birthday, babe, and I know nga sa kabuot mo ko sa lang kind sang imo heart. So tanan nga nga ginawish ang imo heart makabay pa matuman in God's perfect time. I know nga tanan may rason kag tanan maabot gina para sa iyo. I love you and thank you sa friendship. I mean instant friendship nga gingatag mo. See you soon. She's coming, guys. Sugaton tang aton nga mother dinosaur kay deserving na nga sugaton kay Disney princess. Uy! Let's go! Oh my god, it's so hot. I'm so hot. Ay! Charot. Sige na, wait lang guys ha. Hindi ko mag-aula. Bagulo siya nagtawa. Let's make her keyboard.
your day, so let's unwind with laughter and friends combined. Celebrate, leave worries behind. Come on, let's have a good time. Happy birthday to you, my ray of sunshine. May your dreams come true.
Bakalan dinosaur, guys.
Forever I will be with
Kaya try ko nung yung well. How much is that? How much is
my
that?
ray of sunshine. May your dreams come true. Forever I will be with you.
Oo.
Like a the candles, make a wish. Let's sing it loud, dance with a switch. Another year, another cheer. For you will make the whole world clear. From sunrise till the stars ignite, we'll celebrate you with all
Kaya go work.
our might.
Nanghambal-hambal na
Happy
wala pang
birthday
work.
to you, shining bright. We'll party on till the morning light.
Okay lang yung sabak tayo. Kasi di ba nakaulong ko ng egg mo lang? Di ba may atay ulit egg? Naka ako na isang egg, tapos ang sabaw sa atay.
Ito na muna. Antay, hindi na
Kaya gaano ko ganun ba? Parang hindi pa kasi. Wala ko dito bakal dito sa egg lang sila. Kaya yung ano ako, ang daan na ako ganun. Pero kakaang buwan.
tawag na. Mairosan yung mga awod. Okay. Ikaw sanay ng aso-alam sa
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Ano nakita ko to float ka na. Hindi namin nakita ko to float ka na naman.
may ano man, ABC man ang English.
Actually, kayo di ba hamba? Oh! Di ba ano, nakakanta ko doon sa video lang ko. May video ka rin na, magkakaroon ako ka ng mga karata para sa birthday mo.
Bakit ang puso'y napipigil? Saling-saling sa pag-ibig. Saling-saling sa dingding na rin bakit sa piling. Saling-saling sa dingding na
Nakuno siya.
Saling-saling kailan niyo bago papasibig.
Hindi pang pagana ako na beb. Wala ka ba na? Sharing lang. Kuha
ano yun. Basta yun na yun.
Ako lang, guys. Ako lang, guys. Wala, pag anong pinakamalaking takot mo at paano mo ito hinaharap?
There are a lot. I will give you one. Kung mawala siya.
Sino siya? Saray. Wala ka pa kabalo na. Ako naman ikaw lang may sabat na rin na lang taong. Alam. Ay, ano na lang, Are. Ano ang mga bagay na pinaka-hinahanap mo sa isang kaibigan?
Actually, don't go beyond the attitude or whatsoever. As long as that person is loyal to me, as long as a person loves me, not just a friend, but a family member, I'm good.
Correct. Amo lagi ang bal niya, guys, yung may attitude ko mo.
Ay, kabila, ayos ko nakibigyan ko naman. Ada.
Okay. Kung maaari kang Beb, kung maaari kang magtrabaho sa kahit anong profesyon sa mundo, ano ito at bakit?
Since I love food, I think would be food taster or culinary.
Palagi na sinasabi yan, guys. Anong isang pangarap mong gustong makamit sa susunod na 5 taon?
To have a family of my own.
Kung may, kung may superhero ka pare na ba? Paborito niya. Kung may superhero ka nakakayahan, ano ito? Paano mo ito gagamitin?
To be able to fly. Lilipan ako pupunta sa kanya.
Lilipad talaga siya, no? Flying
Ako pa
dinosaur.
talaga yung lilipad.
Coming from her talaga.
Coming from me.
Pupunta na daw siya. Kuya, baka naman.
Hindi makukutin namin. Tayo talaga kita.
Hindi pala magambal. Hindi magambal. Makikapag-pork? Are, kung makakapag-dinner ka kasama ang 3 tao, buhay man o patay, sino sila? 3. Okay, family mo. Except na lang sa family guro.
Except for family.
Okay, pero may na sila sa dinner.
Siya? Special someone? I think it would be my grandparents.
From what side?
Both sides. Because I was so young when both of my grandparents passed away. So I do have a lot of things to say and to be thankful with.
Ano ang isang libro o pelikula na may malaking epekto sa buhay mo?
Libro. I think yung kay Sidney Sheldon, Tell Me Your Things. I really like the story. And for the movie,
The Dinosaur. Charing.
Frozen.
Gag. Seryoso? Ano ang isang kakaibang ugali o talento mo na karamihan sa mga tao ay hindi alam? Magkaon na isang amoy. Charing lang.
Ano talent?
Nga wala kami nakabalo na kami sa singing. And dancing, kabalo ko yan. Mag-dance ka, galing si Preta lang. Maybe she can act.
No. Don't know to act. Talent. Well, they know about my talent. I don't have any talent, which is secret. I don't know any talent na meron ako na hindi nila alam. Because again, I'm an open person.
Pagmahal ng lubusan, guys. Isa lang ang ginapaano yan. Amaya talent, guys. As in.
Mind mo na ako, please.
Dapat proname mo, dapat answer ah. Kung nanalo ka sa lottery bukas, dapat kung mananalo ka sa lottery bukas, ano ang unang bagay na gagawin mo? ginawa mo na talagang ipinagmamalaki mo.
Ay, sir, pwede na yan sa kamay, sir.
Regardless to distance, I'm loyal.
Diba? Hindi ko kaya yun. Pag nag-distance ka, Mark, wala ka na. Last question, guys. Last question. Paano mo dinidefine ang tagumpay at ano ang mga layunin mo para makamit ito? May layunin. How do you define success? I-pause mo dyan na. Guys, ayaw nyo na lang ng success, guys. Saan yun? Ano ang isang bagay na gusto mong matutunan o subukan, ngunit hindi mo pa nagagawa?
I think I have one. I think crafting. But no, I am not that artistic enough. I really want that. Crafting. For aside from that,
Wearing crop top.
I can't wear crop top kasi yung mukha ko Winnie the Pooh. So cancel. I think crafting. Really crafting.
May ako mag-craft. Thank you sa libre, Beb. Thank you, Beb.